Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can fast forward in the Capcut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Capcut app from your home screen. Once you open your Capcut app, all you need to do is simply select a project, and once you select the project, you will end up in this page. Now simply double tap on your video which you have selected and simply press on speed option. Now press the normal option, and according to your wish, simply scroll your speedometer on the right hand side and press on tick mark. So after this is done, your video will be fast forwarded and the speed of the video will be exactly twice the normal range. So this is how you fast forward your video on Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.